Luha pa. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, so what is up guys? My name is Jojo B. Bandairel. Currently taking a college bachelor in computer science. Okay, so finally we've tasked again to create another video, a pitch video technically, and I will show you guys for a minute. Wait. So okay, here we go. So this is our final project. So I task to create a video 10 to 15 minutes. Present the data analytics tools which you can choose from below are the application Tableau, RapidMiner, WEC, or Power BI. So I'll be choosing Tableau, of course, since we've, you know, we've been using this for a long time. Okay, so I'll be using Tableau for this one. So let's jump into it. Here's my Tableau presenting this one. So for me, why did I choose Tableau? Of course, it's very simple. Number one, it's friendly use. So far, it is user-friendly application. And yes, kahit ako na hindi matalino na gumamit nito, I can tell that this is a friendly use application for data analysis. So number two, it is, it's a cloud-based system, and yes, Tableau, yes, I like it. When you save a file from it, well, for example, you've done your activities for a certain task that you need to do, and then you need to save this one. It's cloud based. You need to publish it from your profile in Tableau website. Then it will, it will automatically publish, then share the link that you did, and then send it to your teacher, and that's it. It's educational purposes in many ways. So let's say in computer science, right? You need a specific datas and numbers that are you need to present off, because that's what we want in our, let's say, in presentation, for example. Yep, we need to be specific those numbers in order to get the answers right. So oh yeah, by the way, I need to download the, what do you call this one, the samples. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I've downloaded already the one of our previous topics back then that I need to that I need to present in this video. Okay, just for the presentation. Okay, as you can see right off the bat, we have this datas that we encountered, that it presents by Microsoft Excel. As you can see, it's already categorized, which is good, that we need to know what category is that specific data. So we have the cities, the countries, the populations, EU, and then so much more. Where's the drag button? Okay, as you can see, and it present as the field, and as you can see in the field area, it represent what type of this category. Okay, so let's jump into the worksheet. So as you can see at this point, here's the sheets na where you can put all the tables from the left side of the tables, of course, the datas. So what you can do is just click and drag. It's basically okay. So there, it's just for example like this, then this one, but well, in some specific problems that you need to encounter first, like for example, if you have an activity like me, you need to find the, for example, the specific population, then you need to do that. But I'll be presenting the application by now. So in my long term using for this one, I will, I will recommend to click the show me in this part. So as you can see, it has a lot of variety, graphs that you need to present. So for example, if you have an activity that you need to, let's say it has a pie graph on it, then it shows the pie graph. So as you can see at the bottom part of it, it shows you need one more dimensions, one or two measures in different parts of the graph. So if the question you need to a bar graph, for example, and then you just zero, as you can see, it presents 0 dimensions or more, one or more measures. So if I, for example, if I put the cost line over here, and then let's say the overall temperature, see, as you can see, the cost line that has no or yes from the data source, no, it's, as you can see, it has yes or no, right? So it already separated from this one. So the cost line and then the overall temperature, that cost line, yes, it has a 1791 let's say temperature, right? And then cost line, no, it already overall the temperature and it gets 232. Okay, so what if, let's say the different graph, it has a stack bars too, which is good. It's very simple, as you can see. Then if you add more graphs, then add a sheet again, then it presents again another data table to get the geographic, for example, this one, the simple maps, the map. So in this part, I need a 1 geo dimension and then 0 more dimensions or 1 measure. Okay, so I put this one in here at the column country. Okay, then it's right off the bat, it shows where are the country already. As you can see at the graph, it shows where the Norway, the Finland, Germany, Poland, and other more. So if I again put, let's say, the overall temperature at that specific area, then it will, as you can see, right off the bat again, in the Finland, let's say it's you're getting 14 temperature. Okay, the high, as you can see, as the color goes, I think the more darker, the higher temperature it was. Anyway, so it's represent already the temperature in each country. Okay, another example. So city, let's try get the population too. Okay, of course it's a lot of country. Then let's go for the, let's try bubbles. Okay, so as you can see right off the bat, it's a lot to work on, but as well, as you can see already, this one is for example. Okay, it's just an example, but it shows already where the the country, the city, and the population. Like as you can see, this one, for example, Germany, the population it's already 80.68. That's a lot, which is presented specifically, and what country is specific from that data. Okay, if I wanted to, compile this graph that I created, then just click the dashboard, the plus one over here, if you can see. Well, you can rename this one if you wanted to, so that it won't so that you won't be confusing if you had a lot of you need to answer. For example, for example, I renamed this one the coastline and temperature. Co Coastline and temp, so that the when you put it on the dashboard, it won't be confusing. Okay, if you put like this, then it's just a random name, then you might be confused. Okay, so you need to be, rename the that specific sheet, then be simple. And then this one will be the, let's say, the map and the map and temperature. Okay, temperature, and the temp. Okay, this one will be the cities and populations. Okay, in my case, I'll be using the float, so that you can drag whatever you want to do. So for this one, I'll be dragging this one, right? Okay, right off the bat, it's already, it will be easier than more easier. Okay, let's say the second one. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, the good thing about this one, when you put in the dashboard, let's say this one will be bigger, I guess. Wait, if they want to be a specific, like for example, which country, the highest temperature, then you can click just the icon itself. For example, okay, then, so it only represents the highest temperature in those datas that in country, the specific one. If you wanted to, just click it. Okay, just click it away, then, and it shows which is the minimum temperature and the highest temperature too as well. Then boom, why not, let's put it in here just for the aesthetics. Then cities and populations. So I'll be putting this one on here. Okay, so what if I change one of the, let's sample the cities and population. Okay, let's try to change it. Okay, why not, let's go with a pie graph. Let's try re-undo those one, and then cities. Oh, by the way, you can just put it on the side of the marks if you wanted to, and if you want be at columns, then put it on columns. Then let's try it, put it on here if you wanted the city in details, or in size, or in label. As you can see in label, it shows the names that already, what cities that, city datas that are in the data itself. Okay, so let's say, and then the population size, say pie graph. Of course, it is a lot of country in the, as you can see, the cities. But when you put it on the dashboard, like I said, if you wanted to change, then it automatically change right off the bat again. As you can see, when I scroll down this one, here's are the colors that in every series that which represents the overall series, the data series. Okay, then if you want to get this bigger, if just click Control Shift B. Yeah, right, Control Shift B. As you can see, if I get it bigger, then the data will be bigger as well, get bigger as well. Oops, let's say this one, it will be chunky. Yes sir, chunks. Let's say the high, I'll be putting the highest. Then okay, so Jojo, back then, what did you say about the saving one, the cloud save? Okay, so if you're going Tableau website, just register and then log in the application itself. So let's try to do that. If I save this one in Tableau Public, I'll be logging in my account. So just wait. So okay, so if you're already sure from your datas, then you can rename it. Let's say I will, for example, if you have an activity, then rename it as like this and like that. Then you should be put it in here, so it will be, the title will be put in on the your profile at the Tableau website. So let's say finals, since these are our our activity in finals. So let's say I'll put it, let's say finals. Okay, okay, save. Okay, as you can see at my profile, it's already visualized the post that you've already created. It's already on the at your profile, I mean, my bad. So if I wanted to share this one, then just as you can see the share icon in here, then no need to print screen or whatever. Just put it on, let's say, copy link and then send it to your teacher, and that's it, and you're good to go. So overall, what will be my my comment about this application called Tableau? Like I said, it's user friendly. Number two, it's already cloud based, as you can see that at this that I've already created. It's good that to be true that it's already cloud saved. Then if you want to exit this one, then you can re-edit again, then it will be changed again if you publish it in your profile at the Tableau website. Then number three, it's very educational because as you can see, as the data goes on, it shows and it represent this specific data that it shows already in the app itself. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Feel free to subscribe, feel free to like and share, of course. Feel free for all. And if you got some question, let me know. Of course it will be fine, I guess. Then whatever one. So of course my teacher will be see this one, and also my classmates if I wanted to share them too. I know, of course, they already sub in this at my channel, of course. Then anyway, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to like and share, as always, like I said back then. Already. Nirepeat ko lang. Okay, yes sir. Peace out.